They said it was over. They said the V8 was a relic of the past, destined to be replaced by silent motors and tiny turbos. But for 2027, Ford just sent a shockwave through the truck world that has the skeptics absolutely silent. While everyone else is downsizing, Ford is doubling down. We're talking about a massive shakeup in the 2027 powertrain lineup that brings the roar back to the F-Series in a way no one saw coming. If you thought the Godzilla was just for the heavy-duty guys, think again. Today, we're breaking down why the 2027 Ford F-150 is making every Ford hater officially bow down. Let's get straight to the meat. The big news for 2027 is Ford's aggressive pivot back to displacement. Reports are surfacing that Ford is optimizing the legendary 7.3L Godzilla V8 for a much wider application. In the Super Duty world, it's already been confirmed. The old 6.8L is out, and the Godzilla is now the standard entry-level heart of the truck. But the rumor mill is heating up for the F-150. Word on the street is that a specialized version of this 430 horsepower beast and its 485 pound-feet of torque is being prepped to silence the EcoBoost critics once and for all. Imagine that, a naturally aspirated, heavy-duty derived monster in a half-ton frame. No lag, no complicated twin-turbo plumbing, just raw American displacement. But Ford isn't just looking backward, they're looking ahead. The real hater killer for 2027? The rumored hybrid V8. By pairing the iconic 5.0-liter Coyote with an evolved version of the PowerBoost hybrid system, Ford is aiming for a best-of-both-worlds scenario that the competition simply can't match. We're talking about the soul and sound of a V8, but with the instant low-end torque of an electric motor. Critics said you couldn't have efficiency and a V8. Ford is about to prove them wrong, with a projected range that could top 700 miles on a single tank. If you're a hater who says trucks are becoming weak, how do you argue with a V8 that has more torque than a diesel and better range than a sedan? It's not just what's under the hood. The 2027 F-150 is getting a major tech injection to match that V8 power. We're seeing a more aggressive front-end design, a refined zonal architecture for lightning-fast software updates, and, get this, rumors of by-wire braking for even faster stopping power while towing. With Chevy and Ram pushing their own updates for 2027, Ford knew they couldn't just play it safe. They had to build a truck that feels like a truck again. The 2027 model is wider, tougher, and designed to reclaim the crown as the king of the job site. So, to all the people who said the V8 era was dead, Ford just invited you to the funeral of the competition. By making big displacement standard and hybridizing the legends, the 2027 F-150 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more 2027 truck news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.